What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we got ourselves a little bit of a haul going on. So these are just some gifts that I got over the holidays. And so today we are going to be opening up some Star Wars Galaxy. I believe these ones are from, let's see, 1993. So we got some of the original Star Wars Galaxy packs. I do have some of the newer ones, I think from 2021, and then I just got some for 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So I've never seen the original ones, to be honest with you. I didn't really know that Star Wars Galaxy had a set from the 90s. But this is going to be a super interesting one. And then we got ourselves a super box. So we have 2023 top super box. So this one's going to have 24 packs. And then an exclusive wide vision card, which is going to be this guy up here. I am excited for this one. I just like opening up a bunch of Star Wars cards. So with that being said, we're going to get right into the opening. Alright, so we got ourselves the Star Wars Galaxy from 1993. This is the Series 1. So we're going to get right into these. Let's see here. I'm kind of interested to see what the artwork would look like. Ooh. I've always liked these types of artworks, the ones that look almost like comic booky. Ooh, this one's really nice. These are sick. These are like the concept art ones. These are so sick. Battle of Endor. We got ourselves a little duplicate. That's crazy. I've never seen duplicates come in one pack. Alright. I guess that's how they was rolling back then. These ones are a little bit boated. You can kind of see it right there. It's a little bit boated. Nothing too bad though. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Got ourselves C-3PO. Oh, that one's bad. I like that one. That one's from I think that's the holiday special, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Oh, that's sick. That's a nice artwork right there. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty cool. I kind of want to see if I can complete the set of this. There was one time where I got a hobby box. I can't remember which set it was for Star Wars, but in that one hobby box I completed the entire base set, and I was like, oh, that's pretty sick. Okay, these are nice too. Oh, that is nice. That one's super nice. Yo, these are so cool. I like the concept arts for sure. That is dope. I have the Chrome version of some of these guys. That one's pretty dope. The original poster. Dude, these are so sick. Jesus, sorry about that, guys. These are so sick. I think oh, crap. I think the Chrome version that I have are I don't know if it's based off of this set or if they just chose some of the cards from this set here. When he fought the Rancor. There's another duplicate there. Yo, what the heck? That's cool. These are really sick. There's some good artwork, to be honest with you. I'm really loving the artwork that they put on these cards. I'm gonna put these into a binder. Yo, that's pretty cool. I'm playing Sabak. Have you guys ever played the Sabak game? Let me know down in the comments. It's actually pretty fun. Yo. I think that's supposed to be Luke's hand. Dude, we got these cards. 3. Yo. Yeah, nah. Oh, that's cool. We're getting some of the same cards. Oh man. These are probably my favorite cards. This is my favorite artwork that they're doing. I got another one of these guys. I think I have this one already. If I'm not mistaken. Wasn't that? Didn't I just get that in the previous pack or something? Interesting. Alright. Let's see here. All right, we got the Wookiees. R2. This dude. Oh, that is nice, dude. They did a really good job with the artwork on these cards. Oh, I like this one. These are pretty cool. We got the last pack of the Star Wars Galaxy. Oh, that is so cool. That is sick, dude. That's the comic book. That is dope, dude. Dude, these are sick. I really like these cards. Even from the Chrome, when I first saw the Chrome version of these, I fell in love with the artwork on them. Dude, these are so sick. I'm definitely going to be putting these guys into a binder. And I want to see if I can complete the set. I already got I got triples in here and I got duplicates in there, which is it sucks, but I mean, hey, maybe they're worth something. I don't know. I'll go double check that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the super box. All right, so now we got open our super box. So there are 24 packs, and then there's my the wide vision card. We'll save that guy for the end, but let's get into ripping these packs open. I think I may have seen a couple videos on these cards. So from the looks of the back of the box, these cards look pretty dope. Lieutenant Reed, Magistrate Morgan, Elsbeth, Sintakaz, Sibalba, Major Partagaz. We got Planet Alderaan. Oh, dude, I think this is a comic book cover as well. This is sick. I like these ones. Oh, that looked like a, I don't know which cards these are, but I can feel it. It's a die. It's one of the die cuts. We got Tetha Grigg, or Tetha Grigg, Finnick Shan, Owen Lars, Tordoza. Oh, what the? Ooh, this is nice. That's cool. I like that. And then we got Epic Clashes, Darth Vader and Obi-Wan. And then we got our die cut. Oh, we got the Grand Inquisitor. That's dope. This one right here, that is sick. That one's really nice. I got it. That one's so cool. There it is. Ooh, I got another. I feel another die cut in the back there. All right, we got Twi'lek Server, Luke Skywalker from the Mandalorian series, Paz Vizsla. That dude was a goat. R.I.P. to the man. Bo-Katan. Got ourselves another one. Tetha Grigg. And we got ourselves another comic book cover. That one's the Darth Vader series. These are so sick. And we got Ahsoka Tano on the die cut. There she is. We got Tam Rivora, Moff Gideon. We got Quill, Karis Nemec. Oh, is that a C-3PO? That is a C-3PO. And then we got ourselves Sereno and Count Dooku on that die cut. I've always been a fan of the die cuts. I don't care what they are. And then you already know we got that C-3PO. We got Mon Mothma, Cassian Andor, Princess Leia, C-3PO, Emperor Palpatine. Ooh, that's Chrysanthemum versus Chewbacca. And we got ourselves Coruscant. Check the box to see how many die cuts they usually, or they average on them. We got ourselves Clem Andor, Jarek Yeager, Captain Carson Teva, 8D88, and we got ourselves another one here. We got Tam Rivora, Mustafa. And on the die cut, we got Kit Fisto. And we got ourselves Casca Reeves, Hondo Chinaka, Marva Andor, Cal Kestis, Tusken Warrior, and then that's Chewbacca, and I forgot. Oh, what is his name? What is his name? Is it Gengar? I don't think it says on here, but I think his name is Gengar, if I'm not mistaken. We got Jeddah. We got ourselves another die cut back there. Perrin Firtha. Deidre Miro. Grogu. BB-8. And we got the Armorer. Nice. Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader epic clashes. And we got Yoda on the die cut. Hell yeah. Here we go. We got the Armorer. We got Twi'lek Server again. Luke Skywalker. Paz Vizsla. Bo-Katan. Jib Dodger. We got ourselves Starkiller Base. We got Obi-Wan Kenobi and General Grievous. Okay, if you did though. We're gonna see it soon anyway. We got Kino Loy. Princess Leia. Vel Sartha. Chrysanthemum. We got Moff Gideon. And then we got Rey versus the Praetorian Guards. And we got Obi-Wan Kenobi on the die cut. And we got Quinlan Voss. Darth Maul. B2 Emo. We got Clea Markey. Chewbacca. Why is that one in a different color? Interesting. It's even numbered differently. I wonder what that one. I wonder what these ones are. Let me know in the comments. What are these ones? Why is it just a parallel? And then we got Darth Vader, comic book cover, and Navarro. And then we got ourselves Zeb, Reva, Taraman Barcona, Leda. We got Niku Vozo. We got the Poe Dameron comic book cover, and we got Kanan Jarrus on the die cut. We got Cyril Karn, Yoda, Arvel Skeen, Koran, was it Siri or something like that? Kashyyyk. Ooh. Okay, I don't know who the other guys, but that's a nice cover art right there. Alright, we got Jib Dodger, Dio, Tusken Chief, Paula. Woo! We got ourselves a numbered out of 299. We got Casca Reeves, 251 out of 299. We got the Death Star, and then we got Ahsoka versus Magistrate Morgan Elsbeth. All right, that is sick. 251 out of 299. That is sick. All right, we got ourselves Vect Norku, Salacious B. Crumbs, Cad Bane, Darth Vader, and we got Emperor Palpatine. We got Dagobah and General Grievous on the die cut. Woo, 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 woo. If If I saw what I saw in the back there, this might be a nice artwork piece in the back. R2-D2, Garza Fwip. We got Second Sister, the Armorer, Niku Vozo. We got Ryloth. Oh, that is Obi. That's what is the name of the comic book? I think it's just called Obi-Wan and Anakin, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Obi-Wan and Anakin. That's a sick cover there. Okay. We got Sully, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Ahsoka Tano, Axe Wolves. We got Karis Nemix. We got the Lando comic book cover, and we got Darth Vader on the die cut. Heck yeah, I am satisfied with this box already, man. All right, we got Beru Lars, the Grand Inquisitor, Boba Fett, Babu Frick, Han Solo, Mon Cala. Whoa, what book is this from? Star Wars 12? That's nice artwork right there. All right, we got ourselves Mace Windu, Padme Amidala, Doc Strozzi. Is it 6 Colleen? And we got the boy Quill. We got Kylo Ren and the Praetorian Guard's epic clashes. And we got Darth Maul die cut. We are getting everybody on this. Dude, these die cuts are freaking amazing. Alright, we got Sonara San, Dr. Pershing, The Mandalorian, Minaz Velti, Rey, Han Solo, and Octo. Alright, we got ourselves Chewbacca, Lando Calrissian, Taro Calican, Ezra Bridger, and we got Cassian Andor. I didn't even put my quill in the sleeve. We got Crate, and we got Luke Skywalker on the die cut. There we go. We got, I think that's supposed to be young Hera. Luthen Rail. Whoa, I saw that. Ugh. We got, is that EV9D9. We got Brasso. Let's save that for the end. All right. We got Darth Vader. I think my dad has that comic book. He probably had a lot of the ones that I showed on there. And then we got a Captain Phasma. All right. What the? That might be an Inquisitor. No, that is another Costco Reeves. We got the green parallel of it. This is 431 out of 499. What are the odds of that? I got 2 versions of the card. All right. Watch me be overreacting. You guys in the comments are gonna be like, "Oh, that's pretty normal." No, that's really sick to me. we got the orange border, 251 out of 299, and then we got the green border, 431 out of 499. That is really sick. We got ourselves Qui-Gon Jinn, Zori Bliss, Jyn Erso. We got Finn, Mon Mothma, We got Felucia. And we got Kiadimundi. Alright, this is the last pack before we get to the wide vision. We got ourselves Saw Gerrera, Lieutenant Gorn, Vetch, Nianung, Lieutenant Supervisor Blevin, Anakin Skywalker versus Count Dooku Epic Clash, and Hoth. That was the last pack of the box. Now let's get into this wide visions card. All right. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, this is from the Star Wars Visions. That is really cool. That one is sick. Well, here are all the die cuts that we got. We got Kiadimundi, Luke Skywalker, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, General Grievous, Kanan Jarrus, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Yoda, Kit Fisto, Count Dooku, Ahsoka Tano, and the Grand Inquisitor. And then our two hits of the box. We got Casca Reeves 431 of 499, and we got Casca Reeves 251 of 299. That is crazy that I got the same exact card, but the different versions of it. That's really sick. I'm very, very much satisfied with that box. This box is super cool. I kind of want to get more and open more. Let me know down in the comments about this card, guys. Is this just a parallel version of the base set, or am I missing something on it? Because it is numbered differently, so I don't. Is it possibly short print? No, maybe. Let me know down in the comments. And also, let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite card that I pulled in this video? And what do you guys want to see next? Let me know. I do have a blaster box for football coming up, so I will be making a video on that one very soon. And with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.
Eyes bloodshot and I'm faded now. I try calling to persuade you how I'm a changed man with a new plan, making rules, making big moves like I rule the whole damn